Today we are going to see some example problem and exercise. Example 9.4. The probability that will rain tomorrow is 91 by 100. What is the probability that will not rain tomorrow? In this question, the probability of will rain tomorrow they given. The probability value they given 91 by 100. That means total is n of s is 100. The question is, what is the probability that will not rain tomorrow? Solution. Let E be the event that will rain tomorrow. So, E is, it will rain tomorrow. E dash means the event that will not rain tomorrow. E dash means that is the opposite of E. It will not rain tomorrow. In our question they given us P of E, that is probability given. P of E is equal to 91 by 100 they given. That can be written as 0.91. Then we should find that P of E dash. E dash formula is what? P of E dash is equal to 1 minus P of E. Therefore, 1 minus P of E value is 0.91. When you subtract, you will get 0.09. Therefore, the probability that will not rain tomorrow is 0.09. Next example, 9.5. In a recent year of the 1184 sentence scorer in various subjects in 10th standard public exams, 233 were in mathematics, 125 in social science and 106 in science. If one of the students is selected at random, find the probability of that selected students. Two questions they ask. The first one is the sentence scorer in mathematics? Second one is not a sentence scorer in science. In this question, the sentence scorer in various subjects are given in 10th standard. So total number is 1184 students scored centum in various subjects. So total can be written as how? N of S. Already I told no. N of S is equal to 1184. This is total centum scorer. Next they given us 233 in mathematics. So 233 is score centum in mathematics. Social science is 125 they given. And science is 106. Our question is, find the probability of the centum scorer in mathematics. So mathematics they are asking. Mathematics is number of students scored centum is 233. That is the written as N of E1. E1 is 233. Already I told that this variable we can give any letter, A, B, whatever. Here they chosen as E. So N of E1 is equal to 233. That is mathematics. So probability they are asking. What is that formula? P of E is equal to P of E is equal to N of E divided by N of S. N of E is what is 233 divided by 1184. This is answer for first question. Second question is they are asking is probability of is not centum scorer in science. They are asking not. Not means E dash. So first scorer is centum scorer is science is how much? 106. So that can be written as this is second question. N of E2. Why here they given us E2, E1 is the first question is E1, second question is E2. So this is science scorer is N of E2 is they given us 106. First we should find that probability of scorer, centum scorer in sciences. So P of E2 is equal to N of E2 divided by N of S. N of E2 is 106 divided by 1184. This is centum scorer in science. The probability of centum scorer in science. Our question is not a centum scorer in science. That means E dash we should find. That P of E2 dash. This is opposite, not scorer in signs. So P of E2 dash is equal to 1 minus P of E2 is equal to 1 minus P of E2 is 106 divided by 1184. Cross multiply this one. 1184 minus 106 divided by 1184. When you subtract, you will get this one as 1078 divided by 1184. Now come to exercise 9.2, the third question. The probability of guessing the correct answer to certain question is x by 3. If the probability is not guessing the correct answer is x by 5, find the value of x. Here the question is the probability of guessing correct answer is they given as x by 3. This is probability of guessing correct answer. Next line is the probability not guessing correct answer values they given as x by 5. Our question is to find the value of x. Solution. The probability of guessing correct answer is P of E I am taken. So P of E is equal to x by 3. The probability of not guessing a correct answer, that is opposite to that can be written as P of E dash is equal to x by 5. You know the formula. Formula is what? This is formula. P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E dash. P of E value is x by 3 is equal to 1 minus P of E dash value is x by 5. Next, here see that one, this one is negative value, no, this I am taking as opposite side, that comes plus. So x by 3, it comes this side, it is plus, x by 5 is equal to 1. Cross multiply this one, 3 5s are 15, then you multiply this one, x into 5 is 5x plus 3 into x is 3x is equal to 1. These two are like term, no? You can add 5x plus 3x is 8x by 15 is equal to 1. That is I am written here. Next 8x is equal to, here you should multiply 1 into 15 is 15. Then x is equal to 15 by 8. Therefore the x value is 15 by 8. Fourth question. If a probability of a player winning a particular tennis match is 0.72. This is probability answer they given 0.72. What is the probability of playing losing the match? Here the probability of winning is 0.72. Our question is they are asking probability of losing the match. Solution. The probability of winning a tennis match can be written as P of E is equal to 0.72. Our question is the probability of losing the match. So opposite to this one, that is E dash. P of E dash is equal to, formula is 1 minus P of E is equal to 1 minus this value is 0.72. When you subtract this one, answer is 0.28. Fifth question. 1500 families were surveyed and following data was recorded about their maids at homes. So total is 1500 families. That is N of S. N of S value is total of that families. Here what is the given types of maids? Here number of families. This only part-time is working is 860. Only full-time is 370. Both is 250. A family is selected at random. Find the probability that the family selected has, 3 questions they are asking. The probability of both the types of maids. Second question is the probability of part-time maids. And third question is the probability of no maids. Solution. Total families is N of S is equal to 1500. They given us in that question is only part-time, that can be written as N of A is equal to 860. And full-time they given us N of B I am taken. The name is N of B is equal to 370. Both, that is N of C is equal to 250. This name is I am given that one N of A. You can give N of E. 1 or n of E2. Here this can be written as n of E3. Whatever that you can give. Now come to the question. The first one. Both types of maids. Both types of maids means the probability of both the types of maids they are asking. P of C. Both is, I am given the name is n of C. So I am taking that probability of C is equal to, formula is n of C divided by n of S. N of C is 250 divided by 1500. Here 0, 0 get cancelled. When you cancel it, 25 table, here it is 150 is 6. So our answer is 1 divided by 6. Second question is the probability of part-time maids. Here part-time maid is, I am given the name as n of A is equal to 860. So A I am given. So here you should take the probability of A. Probability means P of A is equal to, formula is n of A divided by n of S is equal to, n of A value is 860 divided by 1500. N of S is 1500. 0, 0 get cancelled. So remaining what it is in 2 table 4, 3. Here it is 2 table is 150 is 75. Our answer is 43 divided by 75. Third question is the probability of no maids. In our question they are given only part-time and only full-time and both. The no maids they are not given. That means not working. So first of all we should find the number of families have maids. That is those who are working is, this is part-time 860 plus full-time is 370 plus full-time is 250 is equal to, you add this, you will get 1480. This can be, I am given the name as n of D. That is n of D is equal to 1480. Now find that those who working, the number of families having maids, the probability of having maids. So P of D is equal to n of D divided by n of S is equal to 1480 divided by 1500. Our question is they are asking no maids. The number of families do not have maids. So probability of D dash, this is D. Those who working is P of D. So next one is P of D dash is equal to 1 minus P of D is equal to 1 minus, this value is 1480 divided by 1500. Cross multiply this one, 1500 minus 1480 divided by 1500. When you subtract, you will get 20 divided by 1500. Here 0, 0 get cancelled. In 2 table it is 1 times 150 is 75. Therefore answer is 1 by 75. This is the probability of no maids is 1 by 75.